The Washington Post, one of the top U.S. newspapers based in Washington, D.C., reports Vietnam National Assembly selects Prime Minister, President. The article said the newly elected Phạm Minh Chính held various posts in the Ministry of Public Security before being selected by the party to be the head of Quảng Ninh. He is credited with helping with economic development in the province through administrative reforms. The article quotes a scholar as saying that the selection of Phạm Minh Chính as Prime Minister could be seen as a bet on his being able to keep the economy growing. Commenting on the new state president Nguyễn Xuân Phúc, the Washington Post said, during his time as Prime Minister, Nguyễn Xuân Phúc led Vietnam as it further integrated into the global economy and sustained the economic growth of 7% up until last year when COVID-19 hit the world. It was among a handful of countries in 2020 that recorded positive economic growth. The newspapers quoted a scholar as saying Phúc has left a legacy of successfully managing Vietnam's economic growth. Meanwhile, leading news agency Bloomberg analyzed the economic missions and challenges that the new top leaders of Vietnam have to face during their tenure. Bloomberg quoted a speech delivered by newly elected Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính at the National Assembly as saying Vietnam will continue making economic reforms, developing the digital economy, and focusing on solving difficulties for industries and businesses.